Hello, it's yet another day on the property. A lot of things has happened, a lot of things we have done. We've completed the road. We have also leveled the ground where it's even. The water would not come when the rain fall. The water would not come and saturate the ground. As I said, the road is complete. Not complete in the sense of complete because we still need a compactor to come tomorrow, and it's going to come and compact the ground, and all the rocks that is there is going to settle in, and everything going to be good. I tried going up there with my car, and the car got stuck right there because it was skidded. So the compactor need to come and compact all of this in. In the back of me, I also done some grow box. It's not complete as yet, but we're going to use that to grow. We have 3 of them. This one is in the process, and this one over there I still need to paint it. And we also have a barrel that I'm going to make a compost tumbler with. I'm going to make it solar, and that is basically, it's going to run. It's going to charge in the day, and it's going to roll in the night. That's what I'm going to do. So it's not going to be a super, it's going to probably roll maybe like for 2 or 3 minutes, and then that's it. Next day it charge again, roll, charge, roll, charge, roll. I want to do it automated so I don't have to worry about it. All I just need to do is pour in what I need to pour in, and it's going to ready. Right now I'm going to show you the progress of the property. I know that's what you want to see, the anticipation. A lot has happened. We dug the trench, we put in the septic line, the septic tank. Right now the guys are compacting and doing some stuff up there, and so let me show you what it looks like. And it looks like the rain is about to fall, and all right, this is the barrel here. This barrel right here, I'm going to use this barrel to make the tumbler. So I have this pipe here. We're going to run the pipe through the middle, put it on a A-frame, 2 A-frame kind of arm, and use a bicycle sprocket to turn it, and I have some charge controllers, I have some batteries, I have the motors, I have everything. All I just need to do is put it together. A lot is going on. It's hard for me. I need to finish something first before I go to something else. So I'm going to finish these grow boxes here and then build this. I'm waiting on the truck to bring 2 loads of gardening soil so I can put it in there and finish that one off, to put that one in there also. And we're going to use the top where the pool is going to go. We're going to use it as a grow site for now, and later on, maybe like a year later, we're going to, I don't know. We might put a pool in now or put a pool in later on. We'll see. But this is what upstairs look like. All right, so what you're looking at is the layout of the property. So we have these guys, they're compacting right now. They are making sure that all the rocks are in properly. What you're going to be doing, let me turn it around so you can see it much better. Go down, I'll zoom in, turn the camera down, and I'm going to go forward. And they're carefully compacting. They are watering and compacting, watering, compacting. I need that on the road. After they're finished, I'm going to borrow that to try to compact this road here. Oh man. Anyway, the steam of the pile of rocks that is in the middle. So what they're doing, they are putting rocks down, then compacting, putting rocks down, compacting, and measuring off to make sure that everything is oh yeah, it's looking real good, guys. The steps in the back, I did those steps myself. Took me some time. See what he's doing? He's carrying that on the wheelbarrow to pour in areas. So that over here is the original road. We cannot use that road because it's in something that's called a naciente. A naciente is a protected zone. Basically, when you have springs or natural things from the ground, which pretty much springs, hot springs, they're protected in Costa Rica. So it's a protected zone. And right where the drone is right now, right under there, that's the line right there, and the line goes all the way down towards the banana coming down, and that zone is like a 50 meter 100 meter protection zone, and that basically is what Costa Rica used to protect any natural water source that's coming out from the ground. All right. That's my road up there. And one thing I also did, I mounted a camera that is right there, and I'm gonna do a time-lapse video of the house over time. So this is what the property look like right now, guys. That is absolutely phenomenal. That is absolutely phenomenal. Looking at the road, I'm so excited right now. So I'm standing right here at the bottom, the grow box. I'll walk out a little bit. You see me standing right there, and again, the house will be on top. The pool would be right at the bottom on the side of the road coming down. And then on the side of the road, I'm thinking to plant some coconut trees along the road going up. And some mango trees, a lot of different fruit trees I'm gonna do. And one thing I'm gonna do also is called Marcotting. I'm gonna marcot some older fruit-bearing trees. And basically, if you don't know what marcot or air layering is basically you cut the bark like an inch, a circle around the bark, and clear that off. And then you get some peat moss and some soil and some saran wrap, and you put that bark, the soil on the bark, and wrap it with saran wrap. And that basically, what that's going to do, you leave it there for 3 months, and it's going to trigger the tree to thinking that it needs to make roots right there. And again, you always want to use a fruit bearing tree, a tree that's already bearing fruit. And so in 3 months time, when you come back, you will have a full bunch of roots inside the saran wrap, and then you cut the branch under the root growing, and then you plant that. And when you plant it, the same season or the next season, you will have fruit bearing, you have fruits from that bearing limb. So that's one way you can do. that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to Cahuita on Limon, and I'm gonna go to my dad's brother, my uncle. He has a whole bunch of fruits like rambutan and dragon's eye, a lot of different things. Even gonna get things like the mangosteen and different fruits, just a lot of variety of different things.